Good morning, Teague Tigers. We are going to be working on our science project today and also our first power focus area for science. So, what I want you to do is to go to your teacher's Google Classroom. You're going to click on Classwork and find where she put the science project for Tuesday. This is where mine is. So, you're going to click on this density and sink or float reading. So then you're going to open it up and open it with Cami. Maybe. What you're going to be doing is this is a reading assignment, as if you had a reading assignment in reading. So you're going to be reading this um, about matter. What can we observe about matter? Sink or float, which is about density. This is the really important part. Well, that is too. But anyway, what I want you to do is you're going to do what's called annotating, which means you're basically making notes out to the side. So you can do that with your Cami with a text box, or with drawing, you can underline things that are important or highlight things that are important. So you would do that just as if you were doing a reading passage for STAR or something like that. So you're going to complete this, and then you will answer two reflection questions in the Google Classroom. Should be right underneath this. The next thing you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get to your power focus areas. So go to Summit Learning. I'm going to view this as my friend Rex. He's always so nice and let me use his stuff. Oops, view as. I view as Rex. Okay, so you're going to go to your year view, and I'm going to move my picture up here. You're going to scroll down to science. And see, we have projects, power focus areas, and additional focus areas. You don't need to look at you can look at the projects if you want to, just to see what all you'll be doing for the project. This is actually the first part of like what would be your science fair project. We have power focus areas underneath. So the first power focus area for for science is science safety. So you're going to click on that, open it up. You're going to take your diagnostic test, and then you're going to look to see where you need help. Is it with science safety or science tools? So you open science safety and see what kind of, there's a PowerPoint here. There's a note taker, which should be in your packet. You should have a packet like this. This is what you're going to need for this power focus area. Okay, it's called Science Safe Investigating. Safe Investigations. That's it. Safe Investigations, and it has lots of stuff in it because it has some note takers. And I believe it may have a check for understanding in there. Not sure. Anyway, so you're going to need that when you're working on your power focus area. So here's some of the things that you can look at. Here's a quick check, and I know the quick check is in there. And science note taker and the science PowerPoint. So you're going to watch that and take notes with a note taker. The other part is objective 2, science tools. So you've got your resources here. You're going to click on them, watch them, take notes. Some of the stuff will be in your note taker. And there's also a couple of things in here um, that are like activity sheets that you can do. One is a cut and paste that you can do on the science tools. When you have, oops, that's not what I wanted. but that is a good video to watch. Let's see if I can get rid of it. Let's see. Okay, yep, there we go. So when you're finished, you think you're ready to take your test, your first PFA, you're going to request a content assessment. And from my class, we do content assessments at 12:30. So make sure that you get back on at 12:30 to try um, this content assessment for your first power focus area for science. And that's pretty much it for today. It's a pretty easy day science wise. So try to get it all done today and have a great day.